Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out of accounts in Mobile Legends. To do it, click on your profile icon in top right left corner, then go to Accounts, then Account Center, and now you can see Disconnect Third Party Account. Click on that, and now you can select the account that you want to disconnect. I'm gonna disconnect the Google account. Then you can disconnect via connected account or via connected email. Then click on OK. And then click on Continue. Now you'll actually need to log into the account to confirm, and then your account will be removed. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.